Hey guys, Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I have something pretty cool. Take a look at it. Look at this. Carbon fiber back here with the red lettering right here. Take a look at that. Guys, this thing is from EV Base. It's pretty cool. It's very easy to install. And after this, if you stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how I installed it. It went on pretty easy. If you are interested in something like this, the link for EV Base is down below. Just click it, go straight to their website. You'll find it. Use my discount code. It'll save you some money. And they have lots of other things that you can check out too. But anyways, let's get started on this install for this thing right here. This thing is awesome. I'm telling you. Look at that. Carbon fiber here. If you have carbon fiber or anything else, like your spoilers or anything like that, it's going to start matching it more and more. More things you keep adding, the better it's going to look. Let's get into this install. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started on this install. Here it is, right here in the box. Take this out. It's not much to it. Make sure there's nothing else in the box there. Take this out. And really, all it is a new piece of carbon fiber material right here. It already has the 3M tape on there on the back. So all we're going to have to do is I'm just going to go out there and I'm going to take off the Tesla letters off the original part of the car. We're going to take them off, clean it, make sure it's really smooth. We'll put this one on, and then I have these letters right here, the Tesla letters that will, once we have the car, everything on, then I'm going to put these on the car like this, okay? And it'll be real simple, and hopefully it shouldn't be any problems. So the hardest thing I think is just going to be taking the letters off the car, and we're just going to go out there and get started on that and take them off. So here we go. Take off these letters. Right now I'm just trying a little pry tool here. And not too bad. Leaves a little bit of residue on there. We'll get them right off. All right, so I'm just going to clean that off a little bit more. Put some alcohol on it. And we're going to let it dry. We're going to put the new one on there. That'll be it. All right, so now I got the car prepped. I'm going to go ahead and take off these stickers here, and I want to get them kind of pulled back a little bit on the ends and leave the straps hanging down. Get it up there on the car, push it down, pull out the straps, and be done. So really all I'm going to do right now is just get the stickers ready. So here we go. I have it ready right now. I went ahead and just pulled these guys down a little bit. Like that. Got them started. I'm going to come in here. And it's on there. Actually, it looks pretty good. Just sits right over top of the original one. Just like that. Not bad. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I brought it out here, brought the lettering out, and I kind of laid it here. I centered the S with the middle of the camera, and then I put it on here thinking where it looked good. I went ahead and put a piece of tape there so I knew where the center is. Same thing over there. And using a ruler, came up from the bottom up about a ½ inch. And I put the line right there, and I put the line right there, and then I double checked it. I came down from the top, it was 3 1/4, 3 1/4. So as long as I lay it on top of these blue pieces of tape, and within that, I'll be centered. So that's what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to take off the backing, set it up there carefully, and put them on there. And that should be it. All right, here goes nothing. Make sure that my lettering's on there really good. Got it installed. Looks like, let's take a look at it. All right. Nice looking carbon fiber. Got the Tesla. Look at it glowing on that red. Look at that. All right, there you go. So EV base. Is this back piece? I mean, I think it looks pretty good, okay? It went on there fairly easy. It's a nice piece of carbon fiber. It just goes right over top the OEM one. Yes, you got to take off your Tesla stickers that are on there, but you put this on there, put the red Tesla letters that come on. I'm not sure if they have different colors or not. It would be kind of nice because I thought about it. It'd be like, I like the color blue, so I think it'd be pretty cool to have blue ones on there. So maybe EV Base needs to come up with that and throw in a choice of colors on the lettering. That would be pretty cool to me. But anyways, one on there pretty simple. It looks good. I like it. And it feels good, and the carbon fiber, especially if you put any other carbon fiber around your car, it just adds to it. It just matches more and more of the carbon fiber feel that you're putting throughout your car. So anyways, guys, if you like it, the link is down below. It'll take you straight to their website, EV Base. They have lots of other accessories for multiple different types of cars, your Cybertrucks, your Model S's, X's, you name it. They have everything there in there for Tesla. Use my code, you'll get a discount. Okay, if you use my affiliate link down below, it should already put the discount code in there for you. But just make sure, if not, put the code. That's I'll have it down in the description for you. Anyways, guys, go check them out. If you haven't done so, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I got more stuff coming. And let me see here. Be safe out there. Have fun and keep driving, guys. Check you later. Bye. Peace.